Hi, good evening to Ananda. I'm Anil Kumar. Today I will discuss about the concept of interface in Java. So mm, here is we'll discuss about the interface in Java. What is meant by interface first, and what is an advantage for the interface, and why we have to use for the Java interface, and multiple inheritance is not supported to the class in Java, but it is possible by interface. How, why we have to why we have to use to the interfaces in Java. So, and what is an abstract class and interfaces in Java. These are the four things we have to discussing for this section. So first we will go for the what is meant by interface. An interface can have only definition but not implemented in its class. Why? Because interface can have only definition but not implemented. That is a partial implemented classes we have to maintain in the interfaces in Java. Why? Because all by default all the abstract methods it contains to the interfaces. So an interface in Java is a blueprint of class. It has a static constant and abstract methods only. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve a fully abstraction. So that's why we have to maintaining for the fully abstract classes means that is an whatever the abstract classes we have to whatever they define but not implemented in its class, that's we will call it as an interface. Whenever we use for the interfaces in the classes, we'll be assigning to the reassigning to the class, and we have to generate to the code to the original source of the code. Means there can be only abstract methods in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve fully abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. Java interface also represents is a relationship. It cannot be instantiated like in an abstract class. So next concept is why use the Java interface. Big here is basically there are three reasons it can be providing to the Java interface. First one, it is used to achieve the fully abstraction. Second one, by interface we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. And third one, it can be used to achieve loosely coupling. So on third one, multiple inheritance is not supported to class in Java, but it is possible by interface. By multiple inheritance is not supported in the case of class, but it is to be supported in case of interface because there is no ambiguity as implementation is to be provided to the implementation of the interfaces. So for example says here is I can be declaring for the two interfaces classes. One is in a printable and the one is in a showable. For each class we have to print for methods. Here is in a print method. Here is also I am using for the print method. Print method. So first I have to declare the main class text interface one class name implements for the printable method and the showable method. And we have to describing the print method hello, and the main method it will be public static void main string of arguments. And the next one is we can be declaring to the object class name. This is a class name test interface one, object name new class name. After that we have to print to the object.print method. Print method it can be showing to the print as a hello, that is an output of this program. Next will be mainly focusing on what is an abstract class and what is an interface here, and what is the main difference between the interfaces and the abstract class. Here is to be the interfaces and the abstract classes. So abstract class using the keyword is an abstract. So interface can have to be declaring to the interface keyword. Abstract class can have an abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Interface can have only an abstract methods it can be maintained. Abstract class doesn't support to the multiple inheritance non-static variables. Interface have only static and non-final variables. So abstract class can have any methods, constructors, it can be maintained, but the interface cannot be maintained. Static and the main methods. Abstract class can public methods, but interface all the methods implementation is to be by using the abstract classes. Abstract keyword is used to declare to the abstract class. The interface keyword is used to declare to the interface. This is an example for the declaring for the abstract class, and this is to be declaring to the interface class. So this is an what is the main advantage for this? Whenever we'll go for the abstract class, it excludes to the partial abstraction. It is in a 0 to 100%. Whenever used for the interface to execute to the fully abstraction, means that is in a fully implemented class, it is possible to execute to the interface. Here is an example will be declaring here. So example of the abstract class and interface in Java. First I have to declare for one interface, and that has to be 4 methods. Interface class name, A is a class name. For the inside of the class we have to declare for the 4 methods A, B, C, D. And the next I have to declare to the abstract class B implements to the next I have to declare for the void C method, and it can be extended to the B method. Inside of B method I have to use for the 3 A, B, D methods. Already C method here I have to using here. So finally I have to test the calls to the method of A interface. So test method, class name, test file, main method, main string of arguments A, and here is object it will be calling. A is a name, class name, object name equal to new class name. So for the each and every method it will be calling here, and the finally output is an A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. That is a thing for this section. Thanks for listening.